Are you craving adventure? Imagine soaring mountains, stunning monasteries, and breathtaking frozen lakes. Sikkim is the place to be. In just 72 hours, we'll explore action-packed experiences waiting for you in this Himalayan paradise. Let's jump right into our adventure. First up, we'll hit the exciting winding roads of Tsomgo Lake. Picture yourself on a rugged jeep ride, feeling the adrenaline rush as we ascend through lush landscapes and towering peaks. Hold on tight. Next, we'll trek to Kalapathar viewpoint for jaw-dropping views. It's a steep climb, but the summit offers peace and beauty. You'll escape the chaos and connect with nature. This hike is worth every step. After that, it's time for some fun at the Gangtok zipline. Imagine flying over valleys, feeling the thrill of descent. This isn't just a ride. It's an unforgettable experience, sending you soaring over Sikkim's pristine beauty. Let's recap our 72 hours. We ventured through winding roads, hiked to breathtaking viewpoints, and zipped through incredible landscapes. Each moment connects you deeper with nature, adventure, and culture. Ready to get your Sikkim adventure started? Pack your bags, grab your camera, and dive into the thrill of a lifetime. Visit our channel for more inspiring travel adventures.